Welcome to the Controls and Shortcut Guide for Microsoft Excel. In this guide, you will learn the keyboard shortcuts and actions for common tasks in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. 1. Ctrl++Shift++L toggle filters on or off for the selected range. 2. Ctrl++Space select the entire column of the active cell. 3. Shift++Space select the entire row of the active cell. 4. Ctrl++Shift++, insert new rows or columns. 5. Ctrl+= delete rows or columns. 6. Ctrl++Shift+, apply currency format to the selected cells. 7. Ctrl++Shift+, apply percentage format to the selected cells. 8. Ctrl++Shift+, apply date format to the selected cells. 9. Ctrl+, enter the current date into the selected cell. 10. Ctrl++Shift+, enter the current time into the selected cell. 11. Ctrl++ page up or page down navigate between worksheets. 12. Alt++ES. The Paste Special opens the Paste Special dialog box. 13. F to edit the active cell. 14. Ctrl++ tab switch between open workbooks. Remember, you can also use the mouse to perform these actions. Just keep the mouse button pressed and move the cursor over the desired command to activate it. Happy excelling!